Hello, hello mga guys. Welcome to my vlog. Lanmarie Musra. Have a nice day everyone. This is it. Ready ron guys. Ang amon nga mga erim nun. Beverage. Mga beverage. Flex ko lang pakita. Model. Mahal guys, mga marahalon. See this? More naman ang tagay. Cheers! Merry Christmas to everyone! Love you all mga guys. Please like and follow me. Share also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. God bless us always. Lanmarie Musra, model. Ka mga beverage. Mga inumon. Flex ko lang guys. Pakita sa inyo guys. Ready na ini guys. Ready na. Ready na sa gabi. Ready for tonight. Mortagay. Pamor. Mortagay. Cheers, cheers, and Merry Christmas to everyone. Love you all mga guys. Lanmarie Musra. Christmas na guys, pero may work pa guys. OFW life, busy. That's life. Love you all. Very cold here in Amman, Jordan mga guys. Still raining and foggy. OMG, oh my God. Stay safe everyone. Love you all. To all my followers, viewers, friends, families. Stay safe and Merry Christmas to everyone. God bless us.